sobrang thankful ako na ikaw ang naging gift na binigay sa akin ni Lord. Na talagang ang tagal kong inintay at iniling sa Kanya, worth it yung paghihintay ko na yun. Dahil ikaw yung nasa harapan ko.
Mark, Noah, and Rizel, you have come together this day so that the Lord may seal and bless and strengthen your love in the presence of this minister of His Word in this community of and family and friends.
Masasabi ko muna na thank you, love, for the things that you get to me, love, and also sa unconditional love na patuloy mo, alam ko, ibibigay mo sa akin. Hello, love. Ito na yung araw na inaantay natin. Tanda ko yung panahon na kung paano ako magpasikat sa iyo nun.
Have you both come here freely and without reservation to give yourselves to each other in marriage? If so, answer by saying, we have.
We have.
We have. Pero ngayon, talaga makakamtan mo yung tunay na saya at kapayapaan. Dahil magiging Rizel Ibanez Pagador ka na, RIP.
Noah and Cheche, it is your covenant commitment. And that is very essential before God and before men. Ang pag-iisang dibdib na ito sa pagitan mo, Mark Noah Pagador at Rizel Calma Ibanez, ay napakahalaga sa harap ng Diyos.
The love of my life. Yun palang nasabi. Ano ba yan, Rob? The day has finally come when you and I become one. As we start our new life together, I want you to know how grateful I am. How grateful I am to you because of 3 main reasons.
I surrender to you.
Number 1, for being my ministry partner since we started. In fact, our ministry drew us together. Dun mo nga una ako naging crush. I even remembered your first message to me, "Hi, Bess." Kahit hindi naman talaga kami close. And then nagtuloy-tuloy. Number 2, for loving my family as much as you treated them as your own. At minsan nga feeling ko ikaw pa yung anak nila.
Wow. Thank you for all the things na lalo na sa kasama mo ako at kasama kita sa ministry. Tayong dalawa.
God created every aspect of your personhood. God administered every choice of hardwiring, the tone of your voice, your inherent personality and natural gifts. And whether either of you is mechanical, analytical, or relational, ang Diyos ang nag-design sa inyong buhay at ganon din sa umagang ito ang Diyos ang gumawa ng lahat ng bagay upang kayo ay pagtagpuin.
And number 3, for loving me wholly despite my imperfection. Alam kong di ako madaling mahalin, pero never mong pinaramdam sa akin yun. Minsan lang, pag sobra na.
Alam ko magiging matagumpay tayo dahil kasama natin si Lord sa buhay natin.
From this day forward, you can call me already your own. Your best friend, your travel buddy, your ministry partner, the mother of your future children, and your wife. Mahal kita.
Salamat, love, sa mga panahon na naramdaman ko na ako'y mag-isa. Talagang hindi mo ako iniwan. Ikaw ang naging kulay sa aking buhay at ikaw naging kumpas sa panahon na ako'y naliligaw.
Madami tayong pinagdaanan na pagsubok, na sumubok talaga sa commitment natin sa isa't isa. And I'm very blessed that you never left. That's why by God's grace, we are here in front of our families and friends. Maraming salamat sa 5 taon.